This is the Toyota Avalon, assembled in America like it has been ever since its introduction in 1994. This year, Toyota's premium sedan bolsters an already incredible story with a new nightshade grade, added all-wheel drive capability, loads of technology enhancements, and so much more. Let's dive in. For 2021, Avalon's 10 configurations are spread across 5 grades that divide the lineup into 2 distinct personalities. On one side sits the refined XLE and Limited grades, which are available in both gas and hybrid configurations like before, but are now also available with Toyota's dynamic torque control all-wheel drive system. Meanwhile, Avalon's sporty side is in full display with the daring new XSE Nightshade, as well as the Touring and TRD grades. And while last year's gas XSE grade has been replaced by the new XSE Nightshade, the hybrid XSE remains an exciting option for those looking to mix some added efficiency in with their performance. Even at a glance, it's clear that Avalon's expressive and dynamic design is unlike anything that came before it. It's both lower and wider than the previous generation, with dramatic, sculpted body lines throughout, as well as a choice between 2 distinct grilles. And Avalon stuns passersby with bold exterior colors like the new Blueprint and the striking supersonic red, which is available on all grades except TRD and XSE Nightshade. The expressive styling also carries over to the high-tech exterior lighting systems, which are entirely LED on all grades. Likewise, the dynamic auxiliary turn signals add a high-tech kick to everyday driving, and adaptive cornering lamps help to enhance visibility during turns, lane changes, and even parking. Meanwhile, Avalon TRD boasts a new Ice Edge exterior color with an available 2-tone black roof, 19-inch matte black alloy wheels with newly available summer tires, as well as an exclusive aerodynamic body kit that transforms Avalon into a seriously eye-catching high-performance car. And finally, the new XSE Nightshade makes a serious entrance with its 19-inch black alloy wheels, black window trim, and black accents throughout. Avalon's interior is so sleek and stylish, it's practically a concept car. And nearly every nook and cranny is lined with soft-touch surfaces and premium materials, including genuine open-pore wood, aluminum, and even premium quilted leather trim standard on limited models. Furthermore, this year adds the available cognac with black interior to the hybrid XSE and Touring grades. Avalon's cabin is also a place of comfort and convenience, with available 4-way lumbar support on the standard heated front seats, as well as 60/40 split folding rear seats. Of course, it wouldn't be an Avalon if the cabin didn't exude a sense of peace and quiet. To this end, an incredible amount of care went into reducing Avalon's noise, vibration, and harshness levels, or NVH. And for drivers wanting to amp up the excitement with the throaty sound of Avalon's 3.5-liter V6 and available sport-tuned exhaust, the active noise control system on select models eliminates unwanted engine noise using anti-sound wave technology. Finally, the new TRD earns more style points for its black sport heated front seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel, and stitched red accents throughout the cabin. Avalon's nod to traditional luxury doesn't come at the expense of innovation, and this latest generation is jam-packed with Toyota's latest and greatest technology. This includes a 9-inch audio multimedia system with standard compatibility for Apple CarPlay, which connects drivers to Apple Music, Maps, Messages, and other favorite apps from your iPhone. In addition, Android Auto compatibility makes it easy to stay connected to Android devices, while Amazon Alexa connectivity keeps Amazon's digital assistant just a question away. Plus, there's a 3-month SiriusXM all-access trial subscription to more than 300 radio channels accessible throughout the country. Avalon also offers plenty of useful amenities like Qi wireless charging, 5 USB charge ports with the addition of 2 USB Type-C ports, and an optional head-up display that projects vehicle information directly in sight. Next, Avalon's standard 8-speaker audio system can be upgraded to a JBL 7.1 channel surround system with 14 speakers, including a 10.1-inch subwoofer. And all of Avalon's multimedia systems work seamlessly with Toyota's line of available connected services, including Remote Connect, Safety Connect, Service Connect, and Wi-Fi Connect. Avalon showcases Toyota's advanced safety technology, starting with the Star Safety System and standard Toyota Safety Sense P functionality on all models. It also boasts an impressive list of safety and driver assistance systems, including blind spot monitor with rear cross traffic alert, electronic parking brake with brake hold, a backup camera, 10 airbags, an available intelligent clearance sonar and rear cross traffic braking system, and an available bird's eye view camera with perimeter scan. Does Avalon have the chops to back up its exciting looks? Without a doubt. All front-wheel drive Avalon models are powered by either a muscular 3.5-liter V6 engine paired with a direct-shift 8-speed automatic transmission, or a remarkably efficient 2.5-liter hybrid powertrain that features a newly designed lithium-ion battery. Meanwhile, the new all-wheel drive XLE and Limited grades feature a lively 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine paired with Toyota's dynamic torque control all-wheel drive system, which can send up to 50% of the system's torque to the rear wheels for added grip in low traction situations. XSE Nightshade, Limited, and Touring models crank up the fun even further with some of the smartest drive mode features Toyota has ever made. These models now have the ability to completely transform their driving manners at the push of a button. Literally. Avalon also features a fully independent suspension and an available adaptive control system, which adjusts each wheel's suspension damping settings on the fly, helping to optimize both driving comfort and fun at all times. Taking this even further, the TRD-grade sport-tuned shocks and thicker underbody braces allow for more handling precision with a reduced center of gravity for high-performance driving dynamics. This track-tuned model also features a catback dual exhaust, giving it a more intimidating growl. As Toyota's flagship sedan, it goes without saying that Avalon is absolutely packed with premium features and clever technologies. This exhilarating vehicle cuts a striking silhouette on Toyota's proven TNGA platform, while the new XSE Nightshade's blacked-out exterior has undeniable style. Plus, Avalon has also earned plenty of accolades from the likes of Kelley Blue Book, NHTSA, and US News & World Report. Now factor in the Toyota Care no-cost maintenance plan with roadside assistance, a 10-year, 150,000-mile hybrid battery warranty on hybrid grades, as well as Toyota's unbeatable resale values and long-term cost estimates. And Avalon lives up to its legendary name.